If you're a buyer in a market for a new home, have you wondered whether living in the suburbs or a rural area is more affordable than living close to the city? Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate.
Well, let's break it down as the answer may shock you. While most urban dwellers assume that moving to the suburbs or rural areas may offer more space and affordability, that's not always the case.
According to Hannah Jones, Chief Economic Analyst at Realtor.com, while buying in the suburbs may translate to savings on housing, it's also important to consider the whole picture if you're hoping to make a money-saving move.
In fact, Realtor.com listing data shows that 65 of 100 largest metro areas nationally were more expensive than urban homes. This is because there may be some hidden costs associated with suburban or rural living that as a buyer you might be unaware of. So what might some of these costs be?
One of the big costs is commuting. It's important to factor in your commuting costs if your job is in the city and you're out in the suburbs by 45 minutes or more. Accounting for gas and public transportation is crucial as these costs can add up monthly.
Or what about entertainment? Sometimes suburban or rural areas do not offer entertainment and you need to travel to more urban areas for any kind of entertainment, which means higher gasoline prices and the wear and tear on your vehicle. The same consideration will often apply to medical care.
Or maybe you're moving farther inland with a hotter microclimate during the summer months. This may mean an increase in your monthly utility bills. And finally, the larger house you're eyeing on in the suburbs comes with more costly repairs due to its size.
These are all things to consider when deciding as a buyer where to buy and what works best for your budget. It's generally best for you to look at the whole picture as you make this very important investment decision. If you're interested in learning more about your local area, please reach out to us so that we can help you make an informed decision on your purchase.
And if you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe free to our YouTube channel. With nearly 4 decades of experience in local residential real estate, we're John and Claire Hickey of Engel and Voelkers Real Estate, and we love guiding you home.
We'll see you on the next video.